Bad gorillas be repairing computers so great that it ain't no mistake with the rate you can't deny. $50? Hey, that's pretty fly, with all jobs being done within 2 hours or less, so you can chill out with no stress. They help clean the mess and get the problems fixed with no problem. They help dissolve them, so go ahead and call or text.
Bad Gorillas Computer Repair, serving Nashville and Middle Tennessee. Call or text Jason at 615.
Bad Gorillas Computer Repair. If your computer's being an asshole, we'll be there.
Bad Gorilla Computer Repair. Go see Jason, he'll be waiting there. Whether hardware, software, or virus scare, know the prices are fair. Bad Gorilla Computer Repair.
There's another one over there sitting out of the tree.
Me likey Bad Gorillas. You likey Bad Gorillas too. Bad Gorillas, good repairs. Bad Gorillas, silly name.
Hi.
Hey there, is your computer slow?
Alright. If your computer's broke, it ain't no joke. Well, who you gonna call? Bad Gorilla.
If you bring your machine to us. Ha 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 ha. Call a tech.
Discover Bad Gorillas, need your computer fixed, well we got it covered. Great reviews, we tuning up CPUs that are acting stubborn. Flat prices, inexpensive fees, you don't gotta suffer. Working for the customer, now tech is smoother than butter. Silly name, but serious IT services. Taking care of your product, no mishaps, affirmative. Enjoy the wonder of great assistance and dope superlatives. Handling technical issue problems with no disturbances. This is as good as it gets, we don't quit. Call us now, solve your problems with wit. Repair devices quick, we don't tamper, we stick to the script. Open daily from 11 a.m. to 8. Aw, shit.
Bad Gorillas have a silly name but offer serious IT services.
With no regret, put them to the test, cause they're the best. So if you wanna go and get it on, then head to badgorillas.com.
Call or text now, yeah, I'm telling you how you can benefit from this company, so come through.
Field service in your home or office, it's only $75 per hour. Our techs arrive in time and in uniform. 2, 2, 3, 1.
Right now. Dig, 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 dig.
Just call Bad Gorilla. That's just what you do. Bad Gorilla.
Hello everybody, my name is Jason and I am the original Bad Gorilla. And I want to interject here, look, all these videos and these songs and these images, this is all actual advertising that I bought and paid for and used for Bad Gorilla's computer repair back in the day. Now, This next video, I saved it for last and I didn't cut it at all. I mean, these kids worked so hard on the video. I couldn't dispute it or anything. I even tipped them for it. It's hella creative. It's also pretty offensive, triply so in today's climate, because this video is like 6 or 7 years old, so it's even more offensive nowadays in today's climate. With all that said, check this next video. I'm so ashamed.
Bad Gorilla's computer repair Selenium serious IT service. Call or text 61502 2231.